Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing / reviewing the Blackview Link 8. But before we unbox it, here are some of the key features. The display is 12.7 inches IPS LCD panel with 2K plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals. The processor is a G100 chip, providing a decent performance for daily tasks such as streaming and light gaming. Memory and storage comes in 6 GB or 12 of physical RAM, expandable to 18 or 36. It includes 256 GB of internal storage, and it supports micro SD expansion up to 2 TB. Battery and charging, it has 8,400 mAh battery with a 18-watt fast charging capability. It also includes a PC mode that offers a desk-like experience with multi-window support. Now let's get to the unboxing. The back is made out of this metal-like texture, and it has quad speakers, 2 on each side. Drawing and writing notes with the pen that comes with isn't really easy to do because the pen that it comes with, you have to hold on it so it can work. You have to really press, and I believe it also does not support any pens. I tested out my sister's universal pen and it didn't work. So I don't like the pen that comes with, and it also isn't good for drawing or taking notes if you have to write your notes. Like we just said, it isn't good for note taking, but if you just need to watch lectures, then it is really good because of the screen and the quad speakers. Light games like this will work perfectly good on it because of its G100 chip, and games like Minecraft will work only if you put it on the low settings, because I tried vibrant visuals and it lagged a lot. So the gameplay that you're seeing is on simple visuals. And games like Free Fire or Township will work fine if you just put it on its normal settings. editing, I haven't tested it out that much, but from what I tested, it will do perfectly fine. Multitasking worked great because of its 32 RAM and high chip. The keyboard and mouse were not the worst quality, but definitely not the best either. The keyboard had a metal backing and the keys were okay. Mouse, however, was perfectly fine.
يا الله الجهاز اللي بيدي